Hello friends, my name is Rukesh Vaikar and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. And I am here to introduce you a very beautiful, risk-free and profitable trading platform. We all know that how the technology and the online stuff are, growing so rapidly. And nowadays we all are a part of it. So, in the world of technology, earning money through using such a technology called AI, artificial intelligence, is much more easier. So, I would like to introduce you a concept from US, and the company name is IX Global, ixglobal.us. So the CEO of the company is Joseph Martin, and you can search about Joseph Martin. He is such a visionary, brilliant, and future-oriented personality. He just started automation in forex trading, where the AI robo connected to your forex account and promise you to 5 to 15% return on your investment per month. I have some automation trading account, and I would like to share you some 1 year trading statement of trade by AI robo. So let's have a look. So here we are. Uh, I will share you username and password of real account of TP Global. So they use the trading platform MetaTrader 5. So you can just log in with the username and password. This is the real account of 27,665 dollars. So here are some trade by auto robot. So you can see there is no single negative trade. You can see the 0.38 is a brokerage. And the next interesting thing is you can see the trading timing also. See, this is a very recent trade, 17 hours 23 minutes 44 seconds, 17 hours 24 minutes and 19 seconds. So within a second that robo trade automatically. You don't need to do anything here. You just simply put your fund in your account and just connect robo. That's it, and the robo will automatically trade in your account. You can see a 1 year statement. There will be no loss of a single penny. So you can withdraw it anytime. This is your account, absolutely in your hand. If you want to withdraw, you anytime you can withdraw. From the very beginning I can show you. See, this is the all trades by these are the all trades by robo, and you can see the time duration will be the same: 18 hours 19 minute 36 second, 18 hours 20 minute 0 second. So within a second, the minimum trade time of a robo is 5 second only. You can see how the excellent this robo are working. So don't miss this opportunity. I am here. I will share you the username password of my real account. You can log in your mobile and you can watch this statement also. So let's start this a beautiful concept, and we can grow globally. Thank you very much. So just we see how the brilliantly robo are trading in our trading account. In the entire year, there is no loss of a single penny. So absolutely we can trust on it, and as I told you before that this is a very risk-free concept. So let's start such a beautiful and risk-free concept. My email ID is given in the video. You can mail me or just WhatsApp me 9518317034. So thank you very much for careful listening. Thank you.